page to give a framework for the page. That way, if there's anything super specific that needs to change.
Conventional FHA, those sorts of things, right? Just like a product list.
Right, you already have. Because I'm familiar with mortgage loans. Alright, so just running down. These are the colors I use in the hex code, so I'll provide you with that.
Okay.
As well as the RGB, red, green, blue, so you could use them.
Okay.
These are the two fonts I used, so that those are just some notes for me. Scrolling down. All right, deleted quote from the footer.
Okay.
Added to the top of the page with a graphic. So that quote was in the footer.
Right.
I deleted it because we went over that. It was more like a mission statement for you, something of importance. So it's
Sure.
right in here as a quote with that same backdrop.
I like that.
All right, plain text header, I deleted that, and I put in this type of header. Same colors, mortgage consultant, same font, looks like a signature. It's
Right.
more professional. I was going to do the jmadd, but I said no, because it's more professional.
Right.
Here you go, learn more about my services.
Okay.
This, okay, I probably didn't put the
Activate
button in.
there.
But the button will then redirect them to the mortgage services. Okay, good. Mortgage services.
Okay.
This is where we were talking and I said, either provide me with loan types
Right.
that I can Google or like
Okay.
write down some bullet points to
Sure.
give a framework for the page. That way if there's anything super specific that you need to change.
Conventional FHA, those sorts of things, right? Just like
Yeah.
a product list.
Right,
Okay.
you already have. Because I'm familiar with mortgage loans.
Right.
I just need to know which ones you
Sure.
do.
Sure. Okay. So that would go there. Perfect.
Yes.
And this is what you were saying about like the hidden pages kind of thing, where like I wouldn't see everything up here, but things would link and go to different pages.
Well, this is
What you're
not
talking
a
about?
hidden page because it's right here, mortgage services.
Oh, okay.
There are, other potential possibilities for hidden pages, but none that I've put up.
Oh, okay.
So, okay, here, we'll talk about a hidden page. I got rid of the home page. That way someone can click on the logo and they're redirected back to your home page.
A lot of, okay. I've seen that on a ton of websites.
Right.
Love that. Makes a lot of sense.
So we have the picture of you.
Can probably keep that one.
I like this photo of
Yeah,
you.
I think we can keep that one.
It's very you
And
because
it's very
it's
Philadelphia.
relaxed.
Yeah,
Very
it is.
relaxed person, and it comes across in your photos.
Okay, thanks.
This is the footer. So see how I made it lighter, so now it's clearly
Oh,
identified as a
sorry.
footer?
Yeah, I had no idea how to do that in Wix. I was having so much trouble with the colors. This is why I needed you to.
There's your logo. So the reason why you put your logo over and over and over again is so you're ingraining it to someone's memory.
Okay.
So if someone looks at your stuff, they'll recognize the colors, they'll recognize the logo.
Sure.
So now it says stay in touch. There's your your social media, that information, a privacy policy, something every website should have. It basically kind of goes over standard information that all the content is
Can you
yours.
provide one?
Yes.
Oh, I should have asked.
I can provide you a privacy policy. Yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Personal service.
Okay.
That's my selling point. Why me and not a bank? Why me and not another loan officer? Because I'm the one that's going to answer your phone call at 8 o'clock at night.
Right.
The bank's not.
Okay.
So it's saving time and being always available. People want that personalized touch. They want
Right.
somebody there who's going to go over everything with them. Yeah.
So far.
And you've really gotten me pretty good here. Like, I like classy, I like minimalist, I like simple, but it's still got to be powerful and promote the message.
Right. The colors are great. The fonts, I really stay uniform with the fonts,
Yep.
especially using that
Which
graphic.
is nice.
You want the graphic in here. I have not put it in here. I have not figured out where to even put it. The graphic as in the social media card or that little graphic style figurine head.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I was thinking, no, I don't need the graphic card because the footer has all the social media,
Right.
has my number, it's gonna have the right email address. I was kind of thinking the head could go in the footer,
Okay,
like above the stay in touch. But, I'm just talking out loud, because I didn't realize you were gonna re-put the logo down here. So I didn't have the logo in my head. I had the head, stay in touch, this, and then this would be lowered and more centered. But I like this better. So I don't even know if we really need the head. I wanted it somewhere so that when somebody finds the website, they go, I have the right person. Because when they go here, not here, but when they go here, they're gonna see that graphic of the head. When
right.
they come to the website, if they don't see it, you see what I'm saying? How do you know you got the same person? That's why.
Well, they know because of the name, but I understand
Right,
it's
but my
brand
head,
too.
right, my head is that.
Right,
You see what I'm saying? I want something that, so on any social media page, on his website, you see the squiggly G.
right.
You know where you're at. That's what I was trying to do with the jmadd.
Okay.
But since it doesn't seem to really fit, the website doesn't necessarily seem to fit kind of, I can still use it, but if that's not going to be the G, so to speak, then the head should be. And
Okay.
then if the head's going to be the G, then the head should definitely be somewhere.
Yeah, I'll put the head.
Even if it's
I'll
small.
format it somewhere around here.
And put it in the footer.
Right. The reason why I went with Jason V. Madden is it's business.
It is correct.
These are people
Correct.
who are clients.
I agree with that change.
Now, one place I can put the jmadd is at the bottom of the About Me. I'm able to
Yeah.
just pop it right here.
That was already a change I had in my head. Like,
You
so
want me
like
to do
as,
that?
yeah, so like as I'm writing the, here's my bio, thanks for visiting jmadd, because that is my signature. That is actually how I sign things.
Okay. And I remember everything we're saying,
Mhm.
though this is the only thing I'm writing
No,
down.
that's fine. Some people are crazy note takers, some people don't take any notes. I take bullet points on my phone.
Right.
We had the notebook in here as a prop, but I've had it for a year, I haven't even opened it.
Yes, I get it.
So,
See, my goal is, like, typically when I'm with clients for marketing meetings, I have a dedicated notebook for them
right,
where I take notes.
right.
If I have a meeting with them on the phone, I'll have our Google Calendar with all the meeting notes and attachments.
Sure.
My goal is to not write one thing down by 2021. Like, I'm like, maybe not 2021, but I'm like, by this year, I'm not gonna need to write a thing.
That's great.
So, because the more clients I get, the higher the notebook stacks get.
Of course.
And then I have this little to-do list, and I'm like, what am I doing? I wasn't taking advantage of Google Keep, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Google Sheets as I should have been.
Mm-hmm.
And I really, in December, started,
Google Keep.
I started doing it more
I
and
love it.
more and more.
It is a great,
Now, everything's on my Google apps,
right.
everything. So that's a lot better. Because for me, I remember,
Right,
pop, I get an idea like that, and I have to just put it down.
right.
I like these testimonials.
Thank you. And one more good one should be coming soon. I just asked my client from December to write one, and I did the thing, do I need to do the initials, or she was like, you could put our full names in there if you want. We are
Right.
so happy.
That's awesome.
So,
Pointer for the testimonial.
sure.
Have them give you a testimonial on Facebook or LinkedIn.
Okay.
I recommend LinkedIn because, sometimes asking, depending on how close you are with the client,
Right.
they may do it on both or wherever you ask them to do it, or they do it on one. The first priority is always LinkedIn because that's a business platform,
Sure.
as opposed to other websites.
Yeah. Well, and that's what I start. So with this client that I mentioned, because you had said that to me before. So she's gonna fill it out on Zillow because they have that link that does it.
Okay.
But she told me I can copy and do with it what I please. I then told her, okay, you copy and paste it into LinkedIn when you're done as well for me if you don't mind. She said it takes 10 seconds, not a problem. So whenever she's done writing the Zillow review, she'll copy that text into one for
Perfect.
LinkedIn as well.
Perfect.
So it'll be the same testimonial, but it'll be in both
Right.
places.